So guys, for dessert, dito naman kami at Yogurino, SM San Pedro. May mga iba ba kayong branches? Meron pa? Santa Rosa, Glorieta. So, akala ko single store lang to, pero guys, they got franchising going for them. So nakita nyo yung mga in-order namin, titingnan natin mamaya yan. Tinatapos ko pa lang sa staff yung pag-prep. Okay? Okay, here we go guys. Sa harapan nyo, titikman ko. Hirap eh. Okay yung lasa ng yogurt nila. It's not that thick, not that thin. Considering na soft serve. Okay? Yung in-order namin kasi for one flavor only, yung smallest size. So, ito tayo. Works really well with strawberry. Basta yogurt. So, yung staff dito napakabait, alright? Very friendly, very accommodating. Tsaka, ito nga, paubos na nga yung ano ko yun. Paubos na sila Hermatatsis sa kanilang mga orders. So, ambience, very fine. They have separate outlets dito for those on the go, like laptop charging cable. Pwede kayo dito tumampay or mag work from home, work from mall ang mangyayari. So ano ang verdict natin for Yogurino SM San Pedro? Dessert. Kasi hawak ko cellphone eh.